Welcome back. Now that we understand the walled garden concept, it's time to build our very first unit notebook inside Gemini Notebook. In this video, we're going to walk through creating a notebook from scratch, giving it a clear title, and uploading your core curriculum materials so the AI is ready to assist you. To start, head over to notebook.google.com and click the Create Notebook button in the top right. Here, I've already created a notebook by uploading a few PDF files. Now, I'm going to rename it at the top left to match our exact topic, in this case, Victorian History, Literary Analysis. You can always tweak the title later down the road if you need to. Remember, keeping each notebook focused on one specific unit is what makes your walled garden so accurate and efficient. Next, it's time to add your sources. Click Add Sources on the left panel. Gemini Notebook accepts Google Docs, PDFs, slide decks, pasted text, Drive files, and even direct YouTube URLs or web links. Simply select your lesson plans, primary texts, or reading handouts and click Upload. In our next module, we're going to look at how to use this notebook to auto-map your curriculum and save hours of prep time. See you there.